Good morning friends. In this video I will discuss about displacement reaction. Okay, in our previous video we have discussed regarding in-text question, this one, and now we'll discuss about displacement reaction. Displacement reaction. What is displacement reaction? Those reaction in which one element takes the place of another element. Displace means take their place. A compound are known as displacement reaction, means reaction in which one element takes the place of another element in a compound are known as displacement reaction. Or in general, we can say that more reactive metal displaces a less reactive metal from its salt solution or from its compound. Okay, here what happens? More reactive metal will displace, means take the place of less reactive metal. That is called displacement reaction. Now see this activity 1.9. Here iron, take 3 iron nail, rub with sandpaper. Do you know why it is advisable to take nail and rub with sandpaper? To remove its impurities, rusting, okay, which can hinder the chemical reaction. Take 2 test tube marked A and B, tie 2 nail in the thread, immerse carefully in the copper sulfate solution. Okay, see this activity. Here iron reacts with copper sulfate solution. After 20 minutes take out the iron nail. See here this experiment. First see displacement reaction. This is A. This is the structure of displacement reaction. A plus BC. It will form B plus AC. Okay. Here A is more reactive metal than B. That's why A takes the place of B. Okay. Here we will discuss iron reacts with copper sulfate solution. Here see iron Fe plus copper sulfate CuSO4. When iron will react with copper sulfate, what will form? Which one is more reactive out of iron and copper? As we know that in reactivity series, iron is placed above than copper. So iron is more reactive. So iron will take the place of copper. It will form iron sulfate plus copper. Because copper is less reactive, that's why iron displaces the copper from its solution copper sulfate. Okay, so iron sulfate plus copper. Here this color of copper sulfate is blue color copper sulfate, and color of this iron is gray. Okay, after reaction this solution iron sulfate, its color is green. Okay, and this copper brown color copper. In this reaction iron displaces copper from copper sulfate solution. The deep blue color of copper sulfate fades. Why it fades? Due to the formation of light green solution of iron sulfate. A red-brown coating or layer of copper metal is formed on the surface of iron metal. This displacement reaction occurs because, why it occurs? Because iron is more reactive than copper. Okay. Now see next activity. Here see the change. This is the change taking place before iron, see, and after it, its color changes from here green color. This is the equation of this reaction that already we have discussed. Now next, zinc. What happens when zinc reacts with copper sulfate? Okay. See, copper sulfate CuSO4 plus zinc. Here copper, here zinc is more reactive, that's why zinc sulfate plus copper. So, this is the color. What is the color of this? Blue color. Once again. copper sulfate plus zinc, it forms zinc sulfate plus copper. Color of copper sulfate is blue. Color of zinc is silvery white. Okay. And zinc sulfate, this one is colorless. And this is red brown. In this reaction, zinc displaces copper from copper sulfate compound so that copper is set free. The blue color copper sulfate solution fades. White fades due to the formation of zinc sulfate, which is colorless. A red-brown deposit of copper metal is formed on the zinc strip. Displacement reaction takes place because zinc is more reactive than copper. Okay. Suppose if this reaction would be like copper sulfate plus zinc, say zinc sulfate plus copper, what will be the product form? What will be its product? Here you have to write on this product. If you know, then write down this product in comment section. Now see, next copper sulfate plus magnesium. First you have to learn activity series, reactivity series. It will form magnesium sulfate plus copper. In reactivity, potassium is placed above. Potassium, sodium, calcium, magnesium, aluminium, zinc, iron, like this it goes. Okay. Understood displacement reaction here. Always more reactive metal will displace less reactive metal from salt solution. If less reactive metal, solution of less reactive metal is present, okay, then what will happen? Will it form anything? Like say magnesium sulfate plus copper. What will be its product? We cannot write magnesium, copper sulfate plus magnesium. Here no reaction will take place. Why? Because magnesium is more reactive than copper. It cannot displace copper cannot displace magnesium from magnesium sulfate. So no reaction. Okay. Understood. So in our next video we will discuss about double displacement reaction. So